Digitalization has, of course, also reached German small and medium-sized enterprises. That means that medium-sized companies, including Aerzener Maschinenfabrik, have to focus on the future and on digitalization in order to remain competitive in the market. Aerzener Maschinenfabrik is a medium-sized family-owned company based in southern Lower Saxony. We've been on the market for more than 154 years and now have more than 40 subsidiaries worldwide. Our core business is the conveying and compression of gases. We deliver quality, precision and innovative products. That is why we're also seen on the market as a company that combines tradition and modernity. With over 40 subsidiaries worldwide, Aerzener Maschinenfabrik faces the challenge of harmonizing processes and data with each other so we can ensure our business is future-proof. The trigger for deploying Magic XPI as our integration platform was one of our business-oriented strategy projects, in this case the implementation of Salesforce CRM. The aim of this project was to create a uniform process in parent companies and subsidiaries. For this reason, we had to create a high degree of integration between Salesforce and, as the first step, Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Such processes are no longer conceivable today without an integration platform. Point-to-point connections are ruled out because they're very prone to errors and tend to lead to a certain amount of confusion. We conceptualized the integration of Magic XPI into our software packages with standard connectors. In other words, we're able to connect these platforms without programming effort. And our employees were able to implement the interfaces with little effort. Today we cannot even imagine integration processes between different platforms without using Magic XPI. In the current phase of the project, we're talking exclusively about sales and service processes. We want our employees to have a 360-degree view at the customer's site. That means all the necessary information is available on site, the employer can react quickly and accelerate processes, consequently giving him an advantage. The next steps are the integration of SAP and the replacement of our notes-based CRM system. In addition, we're looking at connecting our supplier portal as well as our service solution. Connecting to SAP with Magic XPI has one great advantage. It can be done almost without any SAP consultants. We in IT believe that highly integrated processes can give us a significant competitive advantage and cost savings on both sides, ours and our customers. I believe that in the future, even more than today, highly integrated processes will be necessary to succeed in the marketplace. One common buzzword mentioned again and again is IoT. We are currently involved in predictive maintenance and energy-saving projects. This is an area in which, via sensor technology, we will offer customers a significant advantage. In this context, Magic and its integration platform Magic XPI is an important key partner.